Well, here we go with a new postulate, the angle-angle similarity postulate, not congruence. Now look what it says here. We've got two pairs of congruent angles, the red ones, and over here, Z and L, the blue ones. And you were thinking, I thought we needed all three pairs congruent, and we do. But remember, if we have one pair, two pair, the no choice theorem tells us that the remaining or third pair must also be congruent. So it's true we have three pairs of congruent angles, but we only need two. That's the minimum if we're going to use angles to determine that triangles are similar. Again, not congruent. This is not a congruence condition. Similarity. And there it is. You've got to get them in the right order, just like you did with congruence. And for that reason, I might do some color coding. I hope it's not too annoying for you, but this might help you. Okay, I got this one, the red and the blue, the red and the blue. You got to get them lined up so they correspond. Okay, two triangles, 6 questions. Angle F is congruent to angle A, B is congruent to E. That's sufficient by angle-angle to make these two triangles similar in that order. Now I'm looking at a ratio. 25 corresponds to the 15. 25 is to 15. I guess I'm doing 5. Sorry about that. As y is to 12. So there you go. Suppose I skipped one over here. Let's go back to 4. Sorry, I like to go vertically. All these sides, we just put the corresponding sides in order. So AB or BA corresponds to FE. AC, this side, corresponds to FD. Piece of cake. All right, now let's get back to those proportions. On number 6, 15 is to 25, as 18 is to X. See that one coming. Now, all we've got to do is actually solve these two proportions, and we'll have our values for X and Y respectively. So, here goes the first one. I just take this, it shows down here, I've simplified the proportion of, or the ratio, 25 over 15 as 5 over 3. You can do that. And I could use similar fractions, or I could cross multiply. Either way, it's 20. Now, over here for number 8. Same thing, but a little more illustration here. I've simplified, so I've taken this 15 over 25, simplified it to 3 over 5. I know 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 6 is 30. So there's your similar fractions at work. They work with proportions.